Russell Pondless Systems are different than common rock and gravel basin pondless waterfalls. Russell Pondless Systems are designed to be easy to clean with quick and simple routine maintenance. Unlike common pondless waterfalls where the water disappears into a bed of rock and gravel that is difficult to clean, the water in Russell Pondless Systems disappears into a modular pipe system that carries leaves and debris into the HydroSieve pre-filter for quick and easy routine maintenance. Simply remove the HydroSieve stainless steel filter basket and empty it out. Routine maintenance includes using an ordinary garden hose to rinse all leaves, debris, and sediment downstream and into the HydroSieve pre-filter while your pump is running. Leaves and debris will get trapped in the HydroSieve pre-filter, while dissolved organics and sediment will get trapped in the HydroVortex waterfall filter. Routine maintenance with the HydroSieve pre-filter is super easy. Simply open the lid and lift out the stainless steel filter basket. Empty the stainless steel filter basket. Rinse the stainless steel filter basket with a garden hose. Put the stainless steel filter basket back inside the HydroSieve pre-filter and close the lid. This is a diagram of how Russell Pondless Systems work. Water from the waterfalls and stream disappears into the HydroSieve pre-filter through custom length piping. Water then travels from the HydroSieve pre-filter into the HydroChamber underground water storage tank through more custom length piping. When the pump is turned off, all the water in the waterfalls and stream is stored in the HydroChamber underground water storage tank. When the pump is turned on, water is pumped from the HydroChamber to the HydroVortex waterfall filter. HydroVortex waterfall filters become invisible behind the waterfalls. The HydroVortex waterfall filter's patented design allows for backwashing without disassembling the filter. Routine backwashing a HydroVortex waterfall filter is as easy as turning two valves. First, open the HydroVortex waterfall filter's drain valve. Unplug your pump. Let the HydroVortex waterfall filter completely drain. You may notice dirty water exiting the HydroVortex waterfall filter's drain valve. Next, turn the HydroFlush valve to the backwash position. Plug your pump back in. Water will shoot upwards, then fall back down through the HydroVortex waterfall filter, rinsing sediment and dissolved organics from the HydroVortex waterfall filter and its filter media. When water exiting the drain runs clear, the HydroVortex waterfall filter is clean. Turn the HydroFlush valve back to the filter position. Close the HydroVortex waterfall filter's drain valve. The drain valve can either be a ball valve or a lever valve inside a valve box or not. The autofill valve inside the HydroChamber refills the system. That's it, you're done. Routine maintenance is super easy. No fuss, no muss, and no mess. Russell Pondless Systems are designed for quick and simple routine maintenance that you can easily do yourself to keep your pondless waterfall clean and pristine all year long. Russell Pondless Systems are the absolute easiest to clean and maintain pondless waterfalls and provide you with the lowest cost of ownership.